All right, guys, we have the 68th, I think, hard request up today on the current list. It's air supply. Here I am. Haven't got to do much air supply over the past 11 years, so this will be a lot of fun. Here we go. 3, 4. Here I am, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices. I have thousands of videos that I've done over the past 11, 12 years. And something on there for everyone, all genres, all skill levels, even beginner lessons if you don't know anything about music or piano. I have 50 lessons to get you started. But here we go with air supply. We are in the key of C, and we'll start with the right hand. Here's middle C, here's the next C. We'll start with an E on our 5th finger, then go to G on the thumb, C with 3rd finger. So it's a chord outline. So just get your fingers over those keys, and then you can play it. The next one is also a chord outline. It's a broken chord. It's a G chord, G, B, D. So you just go D, G, B, D. So chord, chord. Left hand also does chords, the same chords, but a different pattern. C, G, E, G, 5, 2, 1. The next one's a G chord, but it has a B on the bass. B, G, B, B. Okay, with 5, 2, 1 as well. Put your hands together. Next measure, again, chords. All right, FAC on the right, but I'm going to use 2, 3, 5 so that I have my thumb, my one finger for the D. And then I'm going to do E, G, B with 2, 3, 5 so I have B for my thumb. Then I'm going to do C, E, A so that I have A for my thumb. And then D, F, G with 2, 4, 5, and then B with my thumb. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and left hand's gonna go D, D. It's an octave. E, E, F, F, G, G. So we have that C is in parentheses because I don't really hear it the first time, but I do hear it on the repeat later. Maybe it's played and it's just so soft I can't hear it, but I try to be really exact on things, so that's why I have it in parentheses. If it were me, I would just play it every time, you know, but I just was making that note to you that I don't quite hear it very loudly the first time or at all. Okay, so the first 2 measures, hands together, 1. Very good. Next measure is like the first one. The right hand being the same. That big black dot is something you don't have to worry about yet. Those little notes that are written in smaller script in the left hand, you don't have to worry about yet. Those are for later. This first time, just look at the big notes like always, and you're fine. So the right hand's the same in that measure as the first measure. The left hand is different. You can do a low C down here, okay? So down here. Then come up to middle C, C, E, C. And then go back down for a low E. And then come back up, G, B, E. So, a little moving around for the left hand, but you can do that. That's too hard to do. You can just make the C and an E an octave higher, like this. But I like the bass in there, don't you? Get down there, you can do it. So let's play from the beginning and do our 3 measures. And go. There we go. And we'll finish it on webpianoteacher.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.